Hey y'all, you like my outfit? Let me spin. Oh, this is the only time that I get to dress up, so bear with me. It's your girl, Miss Chance, here from Vocalfy. I hope everybody is doing okay. I missed you, but I'm back now, baby. And today we are working on Riffs runs, vocal agility. Let's get into it. Okay, so today's exercise is for people that are beginners with riffs and runs, or you just don't feel too comfortable and you just want to get better at it, like myself. So this is something that I'm starting to do every day in order to get faster with my run delivery. So let's get into it. So the end of the exercise will sound like this. Now, you know what I'm gonna ask you to do. I want you to like, share, subscribe, hit me with any comments or anything that you want me to talk about from here on in. All right, let's get back to the programming. All right, so let's slow it down just so we get the actual notes. So the melody sounds like this. Good, I'll do it with you. Now, let's do that again. So you want to be able to hit every one of those notes clean and with precision. So that's the goal. And the way we're going to get better at this is to start slowly and then build our way up with speed. So again, the sound is ah. Can you do that for me? Excellent. We have 5 notes. One more time. Good. Okay, let's try it with the music. So, good. Okay. Good. Okay, that's the basis of the notes. Now we just add a little style to it. Ow! But they're the exact same note, just a different rhythmic pattern. Ow. Make it spanky. Ow! Give me some style. Let's go. And ow! One more time. And ow! All right. Do I sound like a dying cat? Yes. But is my voice clean and clear? Yes. 2 things can be true at the same time. All right, so ow, ow. Make sure you're sitting in every one of those notes. That's how you're gonna get your riffs and runs nice and clean and clear. It's sitting in the notes, allowing time to finish the note before you move on to the other one. Okay, and this is going to increase your vocal agility. So we're gonna speed it up a little bit. Don't get scared, don't get frantic, just take your time. Concentrate on hitting each one of those notes nice and cleanly. We have 5 notes to hit. If you have any more or any less, you're doing something wrong. But even if you do, that's okay. Just reset and start again. All right, let's speed it up. Good. So even me, all right, it was okay, but it wasn't in the pocket. But that's all right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna slow it down, try it again, and then go back onto that tempo. So you do that with me. You can pause it here or rewind back and do that exercise with me. I really hope this helps. If it does, leave it in the comments below. Let me know. Let me know if it's a yay or a nay. Either way, I'm always good with the comments. Thank you so much for joining me today with this exercise. Again, you can use this every day as a simple exercise to get your vocal agility up and running. I'm going to be having more of these exercises on my Vocalfy site for now, and a longer extended version of this one as well that goes an extended range, so you can find it on the site. Until next time, keep safe, keep practicing. It's been your girl Miss Chance for Vocalfy. Bye.